From our notes on finding the equation of a line from 2 points, we are going to first find the slope. So we know that m is the change in y over the change in x, or rise over run. So if I label my points x1, y1, and x2, y2, this is going to equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're starting with the y values, 5 minus 1 over negative 2 minus 6. So this will give us 4 over negative 8, which is negative 1/2. And that is our slope. Okay? Then our second step is to pick a point. We have 2 to choose from, 6, 1, and negative 2, 5. Either one will work. I'm going to go ahead and pick 6, 1 since they're both positive. So this is my x1, y1. And then in step 3, we're going to use our point slope formula. Which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. As I plug in the information that I have, that gives me y minus my y1 is 1, and then that equals the m value that I have is negative 1/2 times x minus x1 is 6. To take this equation and get to standard form, which is ax plus by equals c, I need my both variables on the same side. So I'll go ahead and distribute the negative 1/2. I have y minus 1 equals negative 1/2 x plus 6 over 2, which is y minus 1 equals negative 1/2 x plus 3. Then I can add 1/2 x over to the other side. So I have 1/2 x plus y minus 1 equals 3. I can add 1 over to here. 1/2 x plus y equals 4. And now I need to get rid of that fraction because my standard form has to be a, b, and c are integers. In order to do that, I can multiply everything by 2. So I've got 2 times 1/2 x plus 2 times y equals 2 times 4, which gives me x plus 2y equals 8. And this is my solution.